Welcome to the Autocar Performance Show 2014. Yes, I'm standing with the man behind the Batcar, the official Batman himself, Faisal Nancy. Well, hello Faisal. How do you feel, man? How do you feel? There's been so much appreciation. It's the first time ever someone has launched a Batmobile. Last year you launched the Ferrari F413 and this year the Batmobile. So how do you feel?
Great, feels exciting and especially extremely great when you do something like a dream come true car.
Of course, it is a dream come true car. We've interviewed thousands of people coming in these 4 days. It's been a success, a grand success, I must say. And it's great to see people coming in and not being able to believe that it's a real car. It's a Mercedes S-Class with the V8 engine, and very, very nice to see such a good turnout. And hearty congratulations on that. So now let me ask what everyone wants to hear. Firstly, you launched the Ferrari F430. Now you launched the official Batmobile. What next, Faisal?
Well, I'm thinking about Transformers.
You're thinking about Transformers. That'll be real creative stuff. So for all of you guys who are huge auto fans and love coming to the show year on year, that's what you're going to get next year from Autocar, and I'm guessing it should be a Lamborghini. Car modification. Yes, we're talking to Faisal Nancy himself. From fantasy cars to supercars to super sports cars, he modifies them all. Okay, Faisal, before we go, one last question to you. Since you're this great, almost like a king of modification, if I can call you that, I'll give you a few sample cars and you got to tell me what best modification can you do to them, alright? So the first car which comes to my mind is सबसे ज़्यादा use होने वाली Hyundai Santro. So what can you do to that?
Mini Cooper.
Oh, Mini Cooper it is, nice. मतलब अगर Hyundai Santro को Mini Cooper कर लिया तो मतलब Cooper तो ऊपर. Alright, very nice, Faisal. Creative on that. The next car which I'd like to ask you is how about giving you a Rolls Royce? What could you do to such a car?
Tough one. Maybe a Rolls limousine.
A Rolls limousine, nice. That car anyways has the perfect shape for a limousine. So maybe we could work on that as well next year. We could have a Rolls limousine. Alright, let's think of something hatke. How about you're given a contract to do a BST bus? What can you come up with? Come on, this is challenging.
Something very luxurious for people in Mumbai to travel in.
Oh, that's a dream. So luxurious as in what, are you looking at one of your motor homes? How would that be?
Now, I would try to make it more luxurious and practical for as many as people could travel in that public transport.
Public transport is always a key for Mumbai. So this guy is really thinking for the problems of Mumbai. And of course, you can expect a BST bus, which will be so luxurious. Imagine in the years to come. In 2020, we have like a BST bus, which is convertible and which has got recliner seats, LED screens, and then everything's going to change. Fantastic. Always a pleasure talking to Faisal. Let's hear it once for Faisal Nancy, the man behind the show, for this fantastic Batmobile. Huge round of applause. Thank you, Faisal, and wish you all the luck and success for Executive Modcar Trends. And you've already reached certain heights. Inshallah, maybe, I hope you get to greater heights and go ahead with this Executive Modcar Trends.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Faisal. Huge round of applause.